So it's a transactional process. So all those kinds of processes that can be replaced, that can be repeated and systemized they need to be automated. And so when you look at those financial models, then you start talking about adding different scenarios, building go-to-market strategies, different funding options, equity, debt, all that kind of stuff, hiring plans based on strategic inputs. And you have to add your professional experience on top of all that stuff. That's where you can't automate. That's where I don't care how good we've built Clockwork AI. If you don't have an accountant looking at the numbers or a finance professional looking at the numbers to tell you, okay, this is what it means. This is where we're heading. This is how we need to do stuff. You're missing the mark because there's a lot of stuff that we've automated, right? Clockwork has, smart alerts that we're building in where Clockwork will tell you how you're doing against benchmarking information and benchmarking data. But AI simply can't start telling the future of your specific company. So if you don't do that, you are going to be replaced very, very quickly by AI and by technology in your profession, especially if you're in the finance and accounting world.